Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sasha Marie, and here we have my lovely daughter Janaya, and as you can see a little bit my son Pootie. He's trying to be in the video, and today we're coming to you with a seafood boil. Nothing serious. As you guys can see, we have the king crab, the potatoes, I have some shrimp, some corn, and then I have a few pieces of steak, but look burnt, but we like it that way. So I guess we're gonna get into it. And then I tried to make the Be Love sauce, and then for my daughter I just made the sorry guys, I just made regular butter sauce with a little bit of garlic in it. So we're gonna go ahead and sorry guys, so we're gonna go ahead and say the grace. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this food. We ask that you bless it and it be nourishing to our body. In your son Jesus' name we pray. We thank you for the hands that prepared it. Amen. Amen. And guys, excuse us for looking rough. She just got out of school, and I've been here cleaning and cooking all day, so I do have on a little hair wrap, so just excuse us. So we're gonna do a thumbnail. Janai, get one of these here. Hold it here. You hold that one. Hold it up like that to the camera. Be careful, because those things is hard. So. Okay, but y'all, these ain't the giant ones, and shout out to you, Miss Be Lovely, because you inspire everyone to do these boils and make this sauce. These aren't the big ones, but they're good enough. So here, I guess you can start eating that.
Mama. Okay, how you gonna crack these things?
Janaya, I'm not gonna crack this for you.
Mama.
Pull it apart. I think I might have made it from having them in the oven. You need some scissors. Get some scissors. Sorry guys for all the getting up.
Got some scissors.
Help me. That's pretty good. I don't really care for.
Stop, Stada. Using all my sauce.
You know, you need to sit down because they can't see you.
Oh, sorry.
These things is
spiky.
Yeah. So you guys that have done these videos, I salute you. And the ones that have not done the video and are looking to do it, be very careful, because these things are very sharp. Excuse me. And we have a bag here that we're gonna just put right over there for our shells. I made my son a little plate with some crab meat, a shrimp, and a potato, but he don't look like he's eating it. So yeah, guys, sorry I've been gone for a while, away from the scene. I've been, you know, trying to finish school and dealing with a lot. And we just recently found out some good news. Ain't nothing else in here. We're going to be expecting a new bundle of joy to the family. I am currently 5 months. Let me see if I can give you guys a little snapshot. Excuse my shirt. But I am currently 5 months. So we'll be expecting a little girl. Another little girl. Yeah. So hopefully everyone has been okay. I know a lot of people do. Hey, here. I know a lot of people do these, and you shouldn't play with scissors, son. I know a lot of people do these mukbangs, so I know they're, I don't know, kind of overrated, if you will say that. But I just thought it would be good to do. I went out and got these crabs. And just so you guys know, I'm not going to do too much talking, but I do want to let you guys know where I got my king crab from. I know a lot of people go off of Safeway. I mean, not Safeway, I'm sorry. Sam's Club and Costco. You can also get crab from Winco. I actually got mine from Safeway. I got 4 legs, and that was just under 2 pounds for $58. And you can also check Ray Lee's Bel Air and stuff like that for king crab. if you're looking to do it and you don't have a Sam's Club membership. And you guys, next time I do these, I'm gonna get the tiger prawns. I was being lazy. But yeah, so I hope everybody's been having a wonderful 2018 so far. You want? Okay, here. You want crab meat? Did I put this on Elijah's plate?
Baba.
I think I overcooked this stuff, y'all. Let me help you do that. Need to break it apart. There's still heck of meat in there. Ooh, these things is spiky. Here, when I pull it open, you get the meat because you're going to stab yourself. Get the meat out. And make sure, pull it out. Don't break it. Try not to. Janai, you got to try not to break it because they want to see the meat. Here, get this. Get the meat out. Try to keep it whole. Show the camera what you're working with. Put it up closer.
See that?
You gotta look right there. Okay. There. It's pretty good, you guys. Overall. Okay, my son's eating.
It's great.
No, you need to sit down and get, they can't see you.
Excuse me.
And after that, you need to eat some of these potatoes and shrimp. You can do it like that. Let me see. You gotta watch how you hold these things. These things ain't no joke. And then there's meat. You don't have to eat this fat stuff. Made it right in the bag. Okay. Here, you want to dip? Here. Uh-oh. Y'all, I had this food in the oven and it's already freaking cold. I need to invest in a hot plate. You eating crab? We ain't got no napkins. The corn was fresh. I peeled it and cleaned it myself. Ew, son.
Oh.
And it's cooked perfect.
Oh.
Why you chew out this meat? Boy. And since this was our first seafood boil, I only got 4 crab legs. I guess 4 legs for $58 isn't really expensive, but I think I won't be doing these a lot because to me, they're kind of expensive. Being that I got kids. So I may do this every now and then. Oh, he needs some water. He dipped his meat in this hot one. Son, you got to be careful. Here. Come on. Come on. And I got a Fanta.
Come on.
Get him some milk. Here, put some milk in this purple cup right here. Hold on, baby. Sorry, guys, with all the moving. As you have to see, I'm doing this with kids, and he's only 2. Here. Let me see. That's enough. That's enough. Drink the milk. Here. It's going to cool it down.
Okay,
All right. Look.
Milk is always the option.
You picked up a whole corn on the cob, son. Here, eat this one. Look, right here. Mmm. You can introduce yourself, child. Let them know who you are. And she's my oldest.
I'm M.i.A, and it's my first time doing king crab. Especially with my mom.
I think I made too much, guys, because I am already getting full. This video not gonna be too long. Potato, nice and tender. I don't really care for that sauce though. I don't. I think I will stick with
Butter sauce? Putting dumped it out for me.
And shout out to you, B-Loves. You did great. The sauce is good, but maybe it could be because I'm pregnant. I shouldn't be eating this seafood like this anyway, but it could be because of that. But I think I gotta save my fiance some of this crab. I think we're gonna give him another crab leg. Put this on his plate.
Oh. Sorry, and I was moving around a little bit.
I hope the quality is good enough, because, ooh, it should be.
Oh, Mama.
Look at this. Look at that. Nice and tender. Mm-mm. I just told you that. Let me taste your butter sauce. Mm-hmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. My son said, mm-hmm. Yeah, I like the butter sauce. I'll stick with the butter. I'm a butter lover. So, y'all see we cutting down to the nitty gritty. I think I made too many potatoes.
Just like Be Lovely said, butter lover.
Mm-hmm. Butter lover. Y'all, we be watching Miss B Love's videos all the time.
She does great, but the most part about her, she's a great person.
Yeah, my kids know her intro too.
And, well, me and my baby brother, we say it, and it's called, "What's up, my beloveds?" And that's what we, that's what we be saying.
What she said, she back with another.
And she be like, "We're back with another seafood
boil."
That's why we watch her, because she even got some other people going on seafoods. My mom be watching so much other girls. I say they ugly because they eat cute like this.
They not ugly. Don't disrespect nobody. I guess, excuse her, she is just a child, but she likes Be Lovely because Be Lovely be smacking and be messy and
See, I'm messy too. Face everything. So is he. He's messy too.
Is that meat? Son, say hi to the camera. Say hi. What's up, my beloved? You guys can't understand him, but he's saying Miss B Lovely's intro.
And he's still learning how to talk.
Yeah, he's only 2.
Don't know yet. Nothing yet. Just learning about his ways.
You tearing this corn apart. You ate all your corn?
Might be.
Oh, you want this one? The rest of it? He digging in that one.
You don't want it? You don't want it? No, I don't want it.
Son, put it right here. So hopefully we're coming to revamp the channel. I'm gonna try to do my best. I know I've been pregnant, dealing with morning sickness and stuff. Those of you that have had kids or are expecting, understand where I'm coming from. It's not easy. And to all of my new subscribers, I appreciate everyone that has been subscribing to me. All of my old subscribers, thank you for sticking around, being loyal, even though I have been M.i.A for a couple of months. Thank you. Now this was kind of a rush seafood boil, so hopefully next time it'll be more better.
And decent.
Yeah, because the food, I had it in the oven trying to heat it up, and I think I cooked it for too long. You getting full yet? Say yeah. I done drunk all my soda. That's probably why I'm full. Here, we'll eat this part.
As y'all can see, and my mom do like other people. This is one girl.
Yeah, I watch everybody's seafood boils. I watch them.
And this one girl, she does it with her dad. And my
That's
mom,
Tiara.
Yep, Tiara.
Shout out Tiara Lewis. You and your dad are really, really funny.
Yep.
I think she gave me a heart comment. I left a comment on her page, and she liked it. Oh, that.
And you're really, really
That
pretty.
white meat, like B-Love say. That white meat.
And there's some other girls that my mom
Excuse me.
watches.
Not bad.
Just put a clip. This nail.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and get ready to end this. I know it was kind of short, but like I said, the next seafood boil we do will be a little bit longer, and the food will not be
Messy.
no
Or burnt.
It's not burnt. I just left it in the oven for too long, so it's kind of, let me see that. It will be better. Expect better. But I just wanted to go on here because I did get the king crab for the first time, and I didn't want to eat it without fuming it. That would have been kind of like robbing you guys of being able to see a new seafood boil on YouTube. So hopefully you guys like this video. If not, I'll try to come back better next time. You got anything to say, daughter? Armani, say bye.
Well, I'm happy to be here with my mom and my baby brother. And that's the end.
So we love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Let us show you guys our tray before we go. All the potatoes, pretty much everything I ate,
Got some corn.
but mainly potatoes and half of 2 corns, and half a leg and a knuckle. So thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.